Here we go, friends. We had a customer that had a little bit of trouble or got told that some U-joints wouldn't fit, or I don't know the whole story. But here's the stub shaft, and here is the factory Dodge or Ram U-joint installed. If you notice, it installs just great. It's tight and leaves perfect space for two retaining clips to slide right in. Little difference. Yokes are slightly different thickness right here on the corporate and Dana 60 stub shaft, but what we found when we first looked, yeah, there's a little minute difference, about 110 thousandths, but the way it was designed originally, you see this original corporate slightly recessed here, and it fits right there and right here. And what you find is when you put it together, it works and fits just fine. And of course, there's nothing like a proven track record. I think right now at the time of this video, what is it, March the 7th of 2016. I think we probably have about, I don't know, 400 or 800 stub shafts out there. Been running fine. So I hope that puts somebody at ease and helps out anybody that might be having trouble or has any questions. Just install it as you're supposed to and drive on. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and God bless America. Thank you. Bye.